All right, the next thing that I want to talk about as far as a multiplication strategy is that you can always make an array. Suppose we have the multiplication problem 6 times 4. If we're doing equal groups, we would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, and we put 4 things in each of those groups. If we were doing repeated addition, we would add 4, I don't know if I can fit it all in, 6 times. But now for an array, what I would do is I would go down first, my 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 6 things. And how many do I need across? Well, I need 4 things across. Start there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I just have to fill it in. This is called an array. Lots of times people make X's for arrays. You guys know me. I'm not very good at any kind of drawing, and apparently that goes with X's as well. So sometimes I don't use X's, I'll use dots. I'm scared to try to do that with my pen. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you fill in. That doesn't work so great on the smartboard because sometimes you get double dots. But then you just go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And the answer is 24. My favorite way to use arrays are, sometimes I'll use the dot paints that we have at the back because they make nice arrays. You just do the first number going down and then you can go across. The danger with arrays, the problem that you can have with these, is that sometimes when kids are making arrays, if it is a bigger multiplication problem, that they start to kind of draw crooked. So if you had 9 times 7, and you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 7 across, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're trying to line these up, and it gets kind of messy looking, and then it gets hard to count. It just gets a little bit harder. So that's my least favorite part of an array. When you have a bigger multiplication problem, it can be hard to draw an array neatly enough to count. Now, a trick I use for that is that sometimes what I'll do is I will get some grid paper. And when I have that grid paper, all I do is make sure that in my array, I put one thing in each box, and that keeps me neat and organized. So if you have to use an array for a big multiplication problem, use our graph paper that's over in the slots, okay? But that's just another strategy that you can use. Best strategy, memorize. If that's not there yet, then you can always draw an array.